guys, and welcome back to another video. I just got back from the hurricane, and behind me you can see the tree falling down. There's a bush right over there that's falling down.
Yeah.
That tree right there, that tree right there, and that tree right there. You can see that one I know is uprooted. And that one's actually pretty good. That one's fine though, and that one's fine.
Yeah.
And then those two right there are fine.
Does she want to hold the camera?
Come on, follow me.
My arm is gonna hurt.
Hold it like that. Yeah, like that. Make sure your finger is right. So you can see right there over that. The guys falling down.
Oh, it's perfect now.
That big tree right there is falling down. And then that whole bush.
Whoa. Used to fish over here, but not anymore.
And if you turn around right there, then you can see that huge tree right there fell down. That was right next to that boat right there.
Yes.
And then as you can see, that limb, this limb right here, was right there, and that fell off of there from the powerful winds.
Kill that spider web. Your camera's good today, yeah.
Everywhere, too.
Yeah. And I made these steps, but hardest ground ever. Wait, my line. The line
Make sure that you can actually see my head when I'm like, can you see my head?
Yeah.
Alright. Keep it like that. Where you can only see my head.
Whoa.
Alright, so come down here. You can see that this water is really clear.
I can't see it. How do you hold the camera? If you can. I don't think you can really see into the water though.
Down.
Oh yeah, I can see into the water. You can see into the water. It's just really hard too because there's stuff all over my phone. See, look, you can see it right there. Whatever, you can see it when you watch it. Pipes over there. That's the cooler pipe over there. Covered. Stuff's flowing all over the place. You can probably see it better right here, Dylan. You see it? Yeah. Oh, I forgot. I haven't showed you this yet, though. Or at least I don't think so. I used this for last year's science project.
Yeah.
It has minnows in it, and I put 2 turtles in it, but I haven't seen them come up yet, and I hope they're not dead.
Me too.
And this was kind of like this right here. Like a little bit like right here. Lean around the branch right here. Dylan, that probably isn't a good idea.
Dog do.
Dog do. But cat's okay too. We brought the dog to evacuate though.
Yeah.
We brought Maggie to evacuate, but we had to leave Gray here. But Gray's fine.
Yeah. We just didn't want Gray to die.
No, because she would run away.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You gotta be kidding me. I think next video though we're gonna be doing a Minecraft thing where I'm and Dylan. We're gonna be starting a new world. Well, actually, we're going on a world that I built like a small village on.
No,
I'm not sure if it's that good. Yeah.
we're not going on that one.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna go on your world. It's called Moms for some reason.
Yeah,
And I'm gonna try to build the best village I can.
Because
We're gonna have a building contest. Whoever can make the best village.
we're gonna show them all the mobs in Minecraft. Ow!
I just saw it doing in the face.
Oh! running so fast I fell.
Hold the camera. I'm gonna do that.
Ow.
You have to be pointing it right at me though.
Alright, can you see my head?
Yeah.
Can't get up.
Get up.
But I can't. Oh, but I can't get up.
Phone can't get him.
Oh, never mind. My back broken though.
You hold the camera, and I'll do it again. No.
Ooh.
He's dead. Well, goodbye.
I'm really dirty.
The heck is that? Alright, Dylan, grab it, grab it. That's the thing on the top on it.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
And I say goodbye. Yeah.